Take 1 green pepper. Take 1 big tomato. Take 2 onions. Chop this. Take few cilantro. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 onion, see, finely chopped, and 1 tomato veggies, potato veggies, olive oil 2 teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, see, when your onion turns golden brown, add your garlic paste and mix it well. And now add all your seasoning, tomato, green pepper and potato, and mix it well. Add 1/4 cup of water and then cover it with the lid and let it done for 5 to 7 minutes until the potatoes are tender. See, our potato with capsicum is ready, and now you can serve this. Our potato and capsicum is ready, and now you can garnish it with the sesame seeds and coriander or cilantro. You can serve this with the rice or roti. Try this and have a good taste, and see you in our next video. So thank you very much for watching this video.
घर में घूमवाने